Have you ever wondered what it feels like to love someone who cannot see you? In ancient Greece, there lived a beautiful nymph named Echo, who was known for her captivating voice. She spent her days in the woods, echoing the sounds of nature, a joyful spirit. But one fateful day, she caught the attention of the goddess Hera. Echo, with her endless chatter, had distracted Hera, while Zeus, her husband, was engaging in his usual mischief. Furious, Hera cursed Echo, robbing her of her own voice. From that moment on, Echo could only repeat the last words spoken to her, trapped in a cycle of unfulfilled longing. In her loneliness, she found herself enchanted by the striking beauty of Narcissus, a youth who was destined to become a tragic figure himself. However, Narcissus was oblivious to Echo's presence, lost in his own reflection and vanity. Heartbroken, Echo wandered the mountains, consumed by her unrequited love. Eventually, she faded away, leaving only her voice behind, which would forever haunt the woods, a reminder of the love that could never be returned. This tale reminds us of the pain of longing and the consequences of vanity.